Good morning, students. In a previous class, that is class 11 of the chapter chemical bonding, I already completed the important one, that is hydrogen bonding, that is definition, condition, characteristics of hydrogen bonding and application of hydrogen bonding. Next, today in class 12, that is last class of the chapter chemical bonding, I give a more emphasis to another important term, that is VSEPR theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. So before going to this theory, we have to focus 2 points. One is known as bond pair electron and is known as lone pair electron. The pair of electron which is formed during bonding, that is known as a bond pair electron, and the electron pair which is already paired before bonding, that is known as lone pair of electron. So this theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion theory, the important theory which gives an idea about the definite shape or a definite geometry for a molecule. That means when an atom approaches to other atom, resulting in the forming a molecule, then electrons as similar charge, being similar charge, repulse between them. So we know energy and stability is inversely proportional. So in order to avoid the repulsion, in order to maintain the stability, that orbitals repel themselves, move away in such a way that to maintain the maximum stability. So this idea given by valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. According to this theory, the electron pair, the orbitals are away from each other in such a way that it gives maximum stability and a minimum energy. And this, while going to in detail about this one, we have to discuss some points about this theory. After knowing the lone pair and bond pair, we discuss that if a molecule is formed with two similar atoms, the conclusion of this theory is that if a molecule is formed by taking two similar atoms, then it is possesses symmetrical geometry. Unless if a molecule possesses more than two atoms, then one of them is taken as a central atom, while other atoms which are directly attached to it known as outer atom. Next, if the outer atom which is attached to central atom possesses only bond pair electron and symmetrical similar atom is there, overall the molecule is a symmetrical one. On the other hand, if that atom is different one and possesses bond pair electron as well as a lone pair of electron, then the shape or geometry is a different one, not symmetrical one, it is a disturbed geometry. So according to this theory, the repulsion is different in different cases. It is a maximum in case of lone pair and is minimum in case of bond pair. So according to this theory, the decreasing order of repulsion is lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. Hence, by applying this theory, the actual geometry, whether symmetrical or not symmetrical, is decided by taking into account the lone pair electron and bond pair electron. So this theory says that, I repeat again, The repulsion among the lone pair bond pair is differ and is order is decreasing order is LP greater than LP greater than BP. That means lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. Mark the in detail about the valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Mark the definition first is the electron pair surrounding the central atom repel one another and move so far away from one another in such a way that there are no further repulsion between them. As a result, the molecule has minimum energy and maximum stability. Already we discussed energy and stability is inversely proportional. If one species possesses higher energy, then obviously it possesses minimum energy. Everyone try to possess maximum stability. That's why they possess minimum energy. As a result, the molecule has minimum energy and maximum stability. Since after repulsion between them, the electron pairs possess a definite position around the central atom, hence the molecule possesses a definite shape or definite geometry. Next one, the above concept gives the following result which helps to decide the shape of a molecule. Some points are there, mark that. Point 1, the shape of a molecule containing only two atoms. If a molecule only two atoms is there, then they are always linear one. Point 2, if a molecule contains three or more atoms, then among them one is known as the central atom to which other two atoms are linked or attached. Next point is, if the central atom is attached to similar atom, if the central atom, I repeat again, if the central atom attached to similar atom and that one contain only bond pair, then the predicted or expected geometry is linear. Mark that. If the central atom is attached to similar atoms and is surrounded by bond pair of electron only, then the repulsion between them is similar. As a result, the shape of the molecule is symmetrical and the molecule is said to have a regular geometry. I repeat again, if more than three atoms is there, among them one is known as central atom, to which other atom is attached. And if the other atom possesses similar atom and only bond pair is there, what is bond pair? The electron paired during bonding, then there is no repulsion is there. We say that the molecule possesses similar shape or similar geometry. On the other hand, if the central atom attached to different atom, on the other hand, if the central atom attached to different atom and that atom possesses lone pair of electron as well as bond pair of electrons, then among them repulsion is different. Mark that. If the central atom is attached with different atom and surrounded by bond pair as well as lone pair of electrons, then the repulsion between them is different. As a result, the molecule has an irregular or distorted geometry. And according to this theory, the order of repulsion is LP greater than LP greater than BP. Mark that. The order of repulsion between electron pair is lone pair repulsion greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion greater than bond pair repulsion. And the last point is, the exact shape of the molecule depends upon, the exact shape or geometry of a molecule depends upon the number of a valence electron, total number of electron pair present surrounding it. I repeat again, the exact geometry, exact shape of a molecule depends upon the total number of lone pair of electron and bond pair of electron present surrounding it. It is the main theme of this one. So next we go through a tabular form showing how many lone pair, how many bond pair there. If this is the cases, then what is the predicted geometry? Basing upon the VACPR theory, the shape of molecule is decided taking into number of lone pair electron and bond pair electron surrounding it. Mark that some cases are there. It is the total number of electron pair. Next, geometry of the electron pair. Next, number of bond pair and number of lone pair with a molecular formula. Then shape of the molecule, geometry of the molecule and some examples. Case 1, that is total number of lone pair electron, total number of electron pair is 2 and the expected electron pair geometry is this one. Two symmetrical atom possess one pair, then it is a linear structure. Here total both are bond pair and lone pair is 0. If it is, then molecular formula is AB2. So 2 bond pair and lone pair is 0. Then it is the representation geometry A and 2, it is the A is the central atom, B is the 2 outer atom, B possess one bond pair. Then the example is carbon dioxide, mark that it is the central atom, it is the outer atom, possess the bond pair. Similar example is beryllium difluoride, beryllium chloride, BeF2, BeCl2, mercury chloride, HgCl2. Move to case 2. Case 2 is 3 number of pair of electron is there. If then is arrange this one 1, 2, 3 pair. If it is a 3 pair electron, then it is geometry is triangular planar. Triangular planar. 2 cases are there. Cases 1, 3 are the bond pair, lone pair 0. Case 2, among the 3, 2 bond pair, 1 lone pair. If 3 are the bond pair and lone pair 0, molecular representation formula is AB3. Mark that geometry. A is the central atom surrounding 3B. Each one possesses one bond pair. Then geometry is a triangular planar. One example BF3, boron trifluoride. Mark that central atom is the outer atom. Only bond pair electron is there. So other example is aluminum chloride, sulfur trioxide. Next case 2. Among the 3 pair, if 2 are bond pair and 1 is lone pair, then molecular formula is AB2L. L stands for lone pair. Mark that the geometry arrangement A, 2B is there and another one, that is 1 lone pair electron is there. Then the trigonal planar geometry is disturbed and the new geometry is the V-shaped or bent geometry. Some examples NO2, other example SO2, O3 and SnCl2. It is the 2 condition, that means total number of electron pair is 2 and 3. Next move to total number of electron pair with 4 and 5. Next move to total number of electron pair is 4. Mark that total number of electron pair is 4. Then 3 cases arises. Case 1, all the electrons are the bond pair. Case 2, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Case 3, 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Let us discuss one by one. First one is, if all the electron pair, 4 electron pair are bond pair, then represented by the formula AB4, lone pair electron is 0. If all the 4 electron pair is a bond pair and other similar atom is there, then it is represented as like this A, B, 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 B4. And suitable example is methane CH4. In addition to methane, other examples silicon tetrafluoride SiF4 and ammonium ion NH4+. In these cases, all 4 electron pair are bond pair, lone pair electron is 0. Move to case 2. If that one, then geometry is tetrahedral. Move to case 2. That means among the 4 electron pair, 3 is bond pair electron and 1 is lone pair of electron. If it is, then the molecular formula is AB3L. Mark that. If the molecular formula is AB3L, then the diagram is, mark that, it possesses trigonal pyramidal. It possesses trigonal pyramidal. Then if it, that one is tetrahedral, here is tetrahedral. It is a trigonal pyramidal where 3 similar atom is there and one possesses a lone pair. Suitable example, ammonia. Mark that. Here nitrogen is the central atom, 3 similar hydrogen atom, one pair is there. That is ammonia. Beside this, other examples are PCl3, NCl3, NF5, PH3 and H3O+. Phosphorus trichloride, nitrogen trichloride, nitrogen trifluoride, phosphine and hydronium ion. Move to third case. Among the 4 electron pair, if 2 of them is bond pair and 2 of them is lone pair. If it is, then the molecular formula represented as AB2L2. L stands for lone pair. A is the central atom, outer 2 is the similar atom B, where L is the lone pair. Mark that. A, 2B similar atom and 2 lone pair is there. If it is, then the geometry is bent shape. Mark that. So, my example is water, V-shaped or bent shaped. Here the O is the central atom, 2 hydrogen atom is there. In addition to this one, another 2 example for total number of 4 electron pair, where 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair is H2S, hydrogen sulfide, and NH2 minus ion. It is about the total number of electron pair is 4. Next switch over to total number of electron pair is 5. Next we mark that the total number of electron pair is 5. Then mark that. If the total number of electron pair is 5, then what happen? 4 cases arises. Case 1, all 5 electron is bond pair, lone pair 0. Case 2, total number of bond pair is 4, lone pair is 1. Case 3, total number of bond pair is 3, lone pair is 2. Case 4, total number of bond pair is 2, lone pair is 3. Mark that. If the total number of bond pair is 5, lone pair is 0, then represented by the molecular formula AB5. In these cases, the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Mark that. 3 are there, 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair is there. Then AB5. If 5 bond pair and lone pair 0, molecular formula is AB5. Mark that. A5B is there. All are bond pair, no lone pair is there. Then some example, if it is the case, then it is a trigonal bipyramidal. Example is PCl5. Mark that. P is known as the P is known as the central atom and chlorine is phosphorus central atom, chlorine is known as the outer atom. Other examples like this one is PF5, SbCl5, AsF5, phosphorus pentafluoride, that is strontium pentachloride, arsenic pentafluoride. Next, move to case 2. What is the case 2? Case 2 is that among the total electron pair, 5 electron pair, 4 are bond pair, 1 is lone pair. If it is the case, then molecular formula is AB4L. If it is the case, then shape of the molecule is disturbed from that one. It is seesaw, SEESAW, seesaw. Mark that. Here 4 are the bond pair and 1 is known as lone pair. Some examples, silicon tetrafluoride. 4 silicon is here, sulfur is the silicon is the central atom, while 4 other fluorine is the outer atom, bonded by 4 pair, bond pair, while 1 lone pair is there. Case 1, case 2. Move to the case 3. Where what is the case 3? Where case 3 is known as number of out of the 5 electron pair, 3 is the bond pair and 2 is the lone pair. If it is the case, then molecular formula represented by AB3L2. L means lone pair. Here B means bond pair, A is the central atom. Okay. If it is the cases, then geometry shape of the molecule is T shape. Alphabet T shape. Here the central atom, B3, 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Some example is ClF3. Mark that. Here chlorine is the central atom and 3 is the fluorine in the outer atom, 3 bond pair and a 2 lone pair. It is the case of AB3L2, 3 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Move to the last case where out of the 5 electron pair, if 2 are the bond pair and 3 is the lone pair, then it is represented by the formula AB2L3. A is the central atom, B2 bond pair 2, L3 lone pair 3. Then the geometry is linear where A is the central, 2 bond and pair and 3 lone pair. One example is xenon difluoride XeF2. Mark that. Similar other examples is there I3 minus, Br3 minus, ICl2 minus. It is about the total number of electron pair is 5. Next, move to total number of electron pair is 6. The last one is, last case, if the total number of electron pair is 6. Mark that. If the total number of electron pair is 6, then the normal geometry is octahedral. And there are 3 cases arises. Case 1, all the 6 electron pair is a bond pair, while lone pair is 0. Then it is represented by AB6. A stands for central atom, B bond pair, 6 bond pair. Case 2, among the 6 electron pair, if 5 is bond pair and 1 is a lone pair, then it is represented by the formula AB5L1. A for central atom, B5, 5 bond pair, L1, 1 lone pair. Case 3, among the 4 electron pair, if 4 is, among the 6 electron pair, 4 is bond pair and 2 is lone pair. Then it is represented by the formula AB4L2. A is the central atom, B4, 4 bond pair, L2, 2 lone pair. Let us mark one by one. If in the first case, all the 6 electron pair is bond pair, lone pair is 0, then it is represented by the formula AB6. Then there is no change in geometry from the normal prediction. That means octahedral is there. Central atom and 6 are surrounding to each other. By C, only bond pair is there. If this is the cases, then example is SF6, SF6 sulfur hexafluoride is there. That is, the geometry is normal geometry, that is octahedral. No deviation is there. But case 2, among the 6 electron pair, if 5 is bond pair and 1 is lone pair, then the formula is AB5L1. A for central atom, B5, 5 bond pair, L1, 1 lone pair. If lone pair is there, then there is a deviation in geometry. Normal geometry is disturbed, then the geometry is, instead of octahedral, it is square pyramidal. Mark that. Central atom, then 5 bond pair, 1 lone pair. One example is ClF5. One example is ClF5. So, similar other example is IF5, BrF5, where I repeat again, if all electron pair are a bond pair, then there is no deviation in their normal geometry. On the other hand, if different atom is there and there is the presence of lone pair along with a bond pair, then the geometry is disturbed from the normal behavior. Next, move to case 3. Among the 6 electron pair, if 4 is bond pair and 2 is lone pair, then it is represented by the formula AB4L2. A stands for central atom, B4, 4 bond pair, L2, 2 lone pair. Then the normal geometry, the octahedral geometry is disturbed, then the geometry is square planar. Mark that. A is the central atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the bond pair and 2 is the lone pair. And one example is xenon difluoride. Mark that. Here central atom is xenon and 4 fluorine atom bonded by bond pair and 2 lone pair is there. Suitable example is xenon difluoride. It is all about little idea how VSEPR theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion theory decide the shape of the molecule, geometry of the molecule. According to him, if similar atom is there and only bond pair is there, then is no change in geometry, normal geometry is there. On the other hand, if different atoms are there, lone pair electron along with a bond pair electron is there, then the normal geometry is different, that is disturbed. So some cases is there, that is total, suppose case 1 total number of electron pair is 2, case 2 total number of electron pair is 3, next case total number of electron pair 4, next total number of electron pair 5, last one total number of electron pair is 6. And in individual cases, some cases is there, that is if all are number of bond pair electron, unless less 1, less 2, less 3 bond pair and all are lone pair. If this is the cases, what are the expected the geometry? It is all about the valency shell electron pair repulsion theory.